The choir is going to sing 3 songs. The first one is in German, where we sing, Lord, I want to thank you. Thank you for what you've done for me in the past. Thank you for for giving me the liberation, victory over sin. And Lord, I trust you to continue to lead me. And even now, Lord, I wait on you because you are the one who can give me hope for tomorrow. You are the one who can carry me through. And the second song is in English, and then the third one will be in Zulu, where we sing, young people, we have a message for you. There's a gospel that cannot be compared to anything else. We have experienced that gospel. Come, young people, join us. You can also say, if you don't want to go this way, don't stand in my way because I want to go forward. There's nothing that's going to hold me back. I want to serve the Lord with all my heart.
Ikhwaya izocula amacula bemathathu ke lokuqala ngelesijalimane la sisho khona sithi Nkosi ngiyakubonga ukuthi ungisizile yonke leminyaka wangisiza sonke lesisikhathi wanginikeza amandla okunqoba wanginikeza amandla okuhamba lendlela nenkululeko phezulu kwesono ngiyakubonga uNkulunkulu ngiyakudumisa ngakho konke lokho Nkosi uyangazi ukungena kwami nokuphuma kwami ngakho ngishiyela konke esandleni sakho ngoba umkhulu uNkulunkulu phakeme kunezinto zonke siye kwelesingisi elithi wena ndodakazi yaseJerusalema qhumuka ngokuhlabelela uqabalase ubabaze inkosi yakho uNkulunkulu umdumise ngakho konke onakho ngoba uNkulunkulu phakathi kwenu uNkulunkulu muhle uNkulunkulu uyababazeka udumo lonke maluye kuNkulunkulu ngoba mkhulu uNkulunkulu ngaso sonke isikhathi siyambabaza siletha udumo lonke kuyena sigcine ngelesizulu.
Du hast mich so oft schon wethu